welcome back to my X journey, and it's Mrs. White again. If you're a Hermes lover like myself or about to embark on the Hermes journey, please consider subscribing to my channel. I love sharing with you all my Hermes shopping tips and my Hermes unboxing. For those of you who have followed me on my Instagram, you may already know that I recently went to Las Vegas for my business trip. I decided to stay behind for 3 more days with Mr. Y for a mini vacation. This is going to be a 3-part series on Hermes in Las Vegas. In this part 1, I am going to share with you some of the shopping fluff from the 3 Hermes boutiques in Las Vegas. Share with you what I observed or noticed from these 3 boutiques and where you can score an Hermes bag as a visitor. First, I visited the Hermes boutique located at the Wing Hotel. I went into this boutique with high hopes. Since this location have 2 floors, boy was I wrong. I first inquired about some fine jewelry, however none of the rings that I was interested had my size. Clearly it was not a good start, okay? Then I went to the shoe sections hoping to have the trip-free sandal, and there wasn't any at all. I then asked for swimwear and there was nothing as well. I went back down to see if there were any SLG. However, everything that was displayed was in exotic. I'm not really a big fan of the SLG in exotic leather. In general, this location is pretty quiet. And it seems to me that if you are not their regular clients, they won't be able to. If you are not their regular clients, you won't be able to score a bag. For those who live in Las Vegas, this is probably the store you want to make your relationship. Since the essay that was serving me were looking for items for her regular clients rather than assisting with my interests. The next location I went to is the Hermes boutique at Paladium. This boutique only has 1 floor and it is very small. When I first greeted by the essay, she asked me what I was looking for. Before I had a chance to respond, she abruptly by saying, "No bags today." Her interaction was really shocked me, okay? And I didn't even want to continue to shop with her, seriously. Long story short, I don't recommend this location because this location is really small and they really did not have a single bag on display. In my opinion, this location is not worth your time as a visitor, okay? I really don't recommend it. Don't go there. The final location that I went to is the Hermes at Crystal store. This location is the largest among the 3 boutiques in Las Vegas. They have over 20 sales associates in this location, and there are 2 floors. And I also found out from this essay, they do receive bags every week or bi-weekly. The first floor includes silk, the scarf sections, the beauties, fashion jewelry, men's department, and SLGs. The second floor includes fine jewelries, home, handbags, ladies' shoes, and ready-to-wear. This is the location where I was able to score my Hermes items for this trip. And yes, one of them, which is a handbag. I had the privilege to be offered the 3 non-coda bags, and I rejected all of them. So the first bag was the Cabasellier tote bag. This bag was in Barenia, Faubourg, and I'm not really pronouncing it right, but I will put it down below. Which is like a Hermes heritage leather in valve color. I must agree with my fellow YouTuber Clara Z, the leather has a really strong scent and it does smell really good though. I turned this bag down because I was not looking for a large tote bag and there were some scratches in the front pocket of the bag. I guess I had assumed this bag was originally a display item. The second bag that I had turned down was a Lindy 26 in Nata with Paladium hardware. Well, the color of Nata is stunning, like absolutely stunning. However, in my opinion, it does not go well with Paladium hardware. Unfortunately, I was not in love with the color combination. Therefore, I just had to turn it down as well. The third bag that I turned down was a Picotin 18 Noir, which is black with gold hardware. If you guys been watching my channel, you know I am not a big fan of black bag, with the exception to my Birkin 30. I'm just not intrigued with a black Picotin 18. I do want a Picotin in this size. However, with a small bag, I would love to have it in a pop of color, since Hermès does really well with their colors. Even though I turned down 3 bags from this location, I was able to score one of the Tote bags at this location. If you want to watch my Tote bag unboxing, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. For my next video, I will share with you all of the items that I have purchased that led to my Tote bag offers. Quote-unquote cultivates. I will also provide you with the details how you can also build a quick relationship to score a Hermès bag while you're away from your home boutique. It gives me the greatest joy to assist you all to score your dream Hermès bag. I hope you guys found this video to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. Be sure to hit the like button below so that YouTube will help me share this video to more viewers like yourself. If you want to closely follow my Hermès journey, please follow me on Instagram at Mrs. Y X Journey. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!